Hey guys, so I was recently mailed this new product to try out, and what it is the armrest cover. And at first, I was a little skeptical. How much do I really need an armrest cover? What's the value of that? But let's take a look. So down here we have the armrest, and it seems to be fine, no problems. But well, when I thought about it a little bit more, I actually would not mind a protective cover on it if it looks good, because this can easily get scratched up, especially when I'm putting some equipment or wood or something that I might be laying across the back of here. So I figured I'd try it out. So let's give it a shot. Installation is pretty easy. You just slide it right in, get everything all tucked away, and it fits perfect. The fit is great. And one thing which is really neat is that the stitching matches the stitching on my car. Let's take a closer look at it. All right, so here's a look at the cover and see how well it matches the car. I think it matches really well. And it's definitely a softer padding. So when you do rest your arms here, it is significantly softer. Not, it's not day and night, but it is significantly softer than it was before. But the nice thing is it does provide a protective padding. So if, let's say, I spill my drink or scratch it up with something, I wouldn't mind just swapping it out and putting in a new one. So like I said, at first I was skeptical about this product, but now that I put it in, and I think I'm going to keep it. I'm going to use it. So I'll leave a link in the description for it if anyone else is interested in this.